This is Novo 23 Shop I channel. Please continue supporting the channel. Just subscribe, click the subscribe button, and make sure that you support the channel. Thank you very much for the support. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune North. My brother, what's your name and where do you come from?
I'm Joseph Sono. I'm from Orlando West.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the game tonight?
No, today it was a bit better, but only the low block, the way Sekhukhune they were playing, that was a bit bad. Because our guys, when they get balls, they always to go up front, then they go back. They're not effective when they go to the strike force.
They couldn't penetrate them, yeah?
Yes, that is the problem that they are having.
Yeah.
But the strategy that they are using, that will be that was better. Because when we go for them, we have to attack them. Even though they are having a low block, they are lacking shooting. That is the main thing that they are lacking.
They want to pass.
Yes, they always have the short passes. If they used to shoot, things will be better, much better at Orlando Pirates. Yeah.
And then who do you think was your man of the match tonight?
Exactly, Longe, the way he is. And then beside Longe, I was going for Ndlondlo. But Longe, definitely he deserved it. The way he did, he tried his best today. He deserved that man of the match.
Saturday, Soweto Derby, where is it going?
Saturday, Soweto Derby, I'm always on my side. I can't go for Kaizer Chiefs. I always go my side, but that's the way we are going. We have to improve there and there. We mustn't be defensively. We have to offensively. We have to attack. It's where we can win the game. You can't win the game by playing ball possession. Immediately when you go and then you attack, you have to bear the goals. That is the way you can win. You can win the derby.
Yeah. And then what's your score prediction for Saturday?
2-1.
2-1 to Pirates?
Yes, nice. 2-1. Yeah. That is BTS. The one that are going for the betting, BTS and Orlando Pirates win.
2-1.
Yes.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Pleasure.
Hey, tada. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure that you continue subscribing by pressing the button there. Thank you.